Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe of authentic Hyderabadi Marag soup. This soup is yummy and creamy. It tastes best with chapati, tandoori roti or naan. It is quite popular in Hyderabadi weddings. So to make this I am going to heat around 1 tablespoon of oil in a cooker, and in this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Hyderabadi Marag is usually made only in ghee, but however I am adding some oil along with it. Now for the spices I am going to add 2 cardamoms, a spoonful of black peppercorn, 1 cinnamon stick and half spoon of cumin seed. Now I am going to roast it very nicely, and after it is nicely roasted I am going to add 2 onions which I have sliced, and I am going to roast the onion until it changes its color. Now once I achieve that, I am going to add half spoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder. Also adding some salt, a spoon of garlic paste and a spoon of ginger paste. Now mix and stir nicely. Now into this I am going to add mutton pieces. Now here mutton I've taken some bone pieces along with some mutton boneless pieces. So this is mixture of boneless pieces as well as bone pieces. Now stir and fry nicely for around 2 to 3 minutes. After it is nicely mixed, I am going to add 500 ml of water, and now I am going to pressure cook it for 4 whistles or until the meat is quite tender. Now while it is cooking, I am going to prepare the base for the soup. Here I am grating around half cup of coconut. This is dry coconut. Now along with this I am going to add some soaked cashews, green chilies and 2 tablespoons of curd along with 1 spoon of soaked pistachios. Now I am going to add all of this into a mixer grinder, and I am going to grind it until it is a smooth paste. I am going to link all of the ingredients in the description box. So do check the description box if you have any doubts. Now I have opened the pressure cooker. After it has cooled down, the mutton has cooked nicely and it is quite tender. Now I am going to go ahead and add the masala that we had prepared for the base of the soup. I am going to add this, and I am going to mix some water with the masala left in the jar and add it as well. So totally I have added around 3 glasses of water, and this is enough for soup for 4 people. So mix it nicely, and then I am going to cover the lid and cook it for around 5 minutes on quite low flame. After 5 minutes I am going to open it, and this looks cooked. Now I am going to serve it hot. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you liked the video.